Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is RJ. So today we are back in Dualmine and we're going to be checking out the latest update and hopefully some good news to come. So keep watching. Okay, and welcome to another video. And remember, if this is your first time visiting my channel and you want to learn more about how to earn cryptocurrency for free, about cloud mining sites, crypto investments and lots of other crypto related stuff, hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tag that notification bell so you're alerted to all my latest content as it comes online. Okay, so as you can see here, we are in Dualmine and they have released another update or an announcement, but we'll check that out shortly. But something that I thought was interesting was obviously recently I did a video on Mining Company Limited, telling you that I believed it was a scam and basically to steer clear of it, but I did sort of roll the dice and take a little gamble and put some money in there, which I did get 2 withdrawals out. I put about 1,300 Doge in there. I got about 600 back, so I lost about 700 Doge. But as I did say in the video, it was very much of a gamble. And for those of you that were not into taking risks, then basically steer clear of it. And as you can see here, it is no longer around. Mining Company Limited seems to have disappeared, been swallowed up into the cyberspace, and I'm sure the owners have made off with, unfortunately, a lot of people's coins. So for those of you that have lost money, I'm extremely sorry. I did not put out a video earlier warning you about this site, but anyway, hopefully they're gone for good. At least this site will be. So you know, let's hope that when they put out another one, which I'm sure they will, that we get to it a bit quicker. Okay, so the last video we did was about a week ago, and in that week I've actually, a few things have changed. So a week ago our Monero was at 1,611.6 hashes. As you can see there, we've gained around about 1,000 hashes, and that basically was because we managed to do another one of our big BTC sort of conversions, and then banged it all into Monero. And if we go into orders, you can see here, this is all the Monero that I gained. So I would have gained 9. Is that? Yeah, 9, because I always forget to just look down the side. The numbers are there. But yeah, so we gained 9 times 110 hashes. So like I say, about just over 1,000. And yeah, so that's cool. And also as well, if we just take another quick look, you will see that by gathering some other coins together, I'm nearly at that payout threshold again. I'm at nearly 300,000, and it's only 400,000 for that BTC threshold minimum payout, which then will get reinvested into yet another coin. And basically, because Doge has now jumped up to like 3 or 4 cents, I'm probably going to put it in there, basically because obviously Doge is the fastest building coin, and like I say, putting 400,000 worth of BTC in there is going to absolutely blow that up. I don't know how many coins I'll be earning every day, but it will be something crazy, I'm sure. Anyway, that's obviously the things that have changed about the account. So let's go and check out Dualmine's latest announcement. Okay, so this is the latest announcement, and it does actually come with some good news. Although, in my suspicious mind, it also comes with what could possibly be some bad news. Anyway, let's look at the good news, and the good news is that CRT is now going to be priced on Dualmine exactly the same price as it is on the exchange. Also as well, they have, according to them, resolved the problems with the high gas fees. So that is the fees that you get placed on your transactions through the Ethereum network, because as we know, CRT is an Ethereum based token. Therefore, any withdrawals have to go through the Ethereum network, and at the moment their transaction fees, or their gas fees as they're known, are extremely high. I mean, like crazily high. But anyway, what they're saying is now that the fees for sending CRT will now only be $1, but you do have to use an exchange. So basically what you've got to do is get yourself either a Whitebit exchange account, or a Vindex or Vindax exchange account, and then basically go into your profile, get a deposit, obviously input the details for the CRT token into your account so it's there, and then you need to get your deposit account address for that exchange, then put it into your profile with your under your CRT address placing, and then you'll be able to withdraw to that exchange for only $1. So when you click on your profile button, you will be you just scroll down a little bit on your page and you will see this. So this is where all the wallet addresses go, and this is where you want to be placing your deposit address from your chosen exchange. Okay, so now we know where to put our our wallet address. What we need to do now is go and get it. So what we do is, as you can see here, we are in my Whitebit account. So you just click on the icon on the far right. You click here, you go to My Balance, and then what you'll do is you'll come in here, you type in search CRT, and then you can click deposit, and then like it says here, basically only send CRT to this address. Please make sure your wallet or exchange doesn't use smart contracts for CRT withdrawals. Send in such blah 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 blah. So basically that is going to be your or my address. So we'll just copy that. Then what we do is drop it in here like so, and then scroll to the bottom and just click save. Okay, and then obviously you've got, they're going to send you a pin like it says there, which we should have somewhere. Okay, yeah, though we have the pin. So this is just the same as when you do withdrawals. They do send you a pin just to confirm that it is you that is making the change and not someone that has basically got into your account by other means. There you go. So there, and then you can see our CRT address is just there. Okay, so that's all done and dusted. Obviously the shame is that if we go and check out Whitebit once again, close that. Yeah, unfortunately, CRT has taken a massive drop. It's not fallen as far as it was the last time I checked, which was about 3.3 at the end there. It's now 51. It did go right up to 70 plus, but it has dropped down again, and all these are in minuses, where I think yesterday or the day before when I checked, they were all in positive. So there has obviously been a massive sell-off or something like that, which has affected the price, but hopefully that will go back up. But also as well, the great news is now the withdrawals are only going to be $1 according to Dualmine, that it's just going to be a lot more cost effective if you just want to get those coins out and exchange them into something like BTC or Ethereum or USDT, whatever it is that you want to change it into. It's going to be a lot more, like I say, just a lot more cost effective. And as always, at the end of their announcement, they're always telling us, don't sell low, make sure you sell high, keep the price high, which is good advice, you know, but obviously at the same time, you know, I'm not going to begrudge any of you guys out there that just trying to basically get your investments back, like I have said in the past, and get out. I do not at all hold that against you, because it's you know, the way Dualmine has sort of dealt with things has not been good, and you know, at the end of the day, they might well get to the goal that they want, which they're talking about $1. And that's the other thing as well. I mean, obviously they are targeting this $1 for CRT, which is what it was in the Dualmine when it was just on the Dualmine platform. So they're trying to get back to that $1, and this is where my skepticism comes in, or my cynical side. I am just sort of worried that they are going to get us, you know, basically get up to that $1, and then they're just going to cash everything in and disappear. Anyway, that, like I say, that is just my sort of suspicious mind working away there. But anyway, like I say, good news on the withdrawals now, being only $1. And that's it. So I'm going to leave that there. I hope the information was useful. And if you can smash that like button, really supports my channel, which then helps me bring more content to you. So take care, have a great rest of your week, and I'll speak to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye.